Hey guys, what's up? TwitterWorld here, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a calculator on Microsoft Visual Basic Studio, I guess. So without further ado, let's get to it. Go ahead and start a new project to a Windows Form application. So let's get right to this form. Make it a little bit bigger. So let's add the text. Calculator. So it'll say calculator up there. Sorry if I sound a little out of it, because I know it's only 9:40, but I'm extremely tired because I'm not used to going to school, which is, school's pretty gay. So let's go and we'll create a label right here. And, I suppose we'll just leave that label as label 1. Add the text to be first number. Go ahead and change the font to 16. Not 26, 16. So there we are. Next thing is you're going to want to add a text box. There's your text box. Make that a little bit bigger. Back up to 16 font. I'm going to call it text box num1. Let's go down here, find text. Oh no, we don't need text. But yeah, see what I mean? I'm really not feeling too sort of into it today. So we'll call it label sign. The text will let the default be just a plus sign. We'll change the font. So 16. Create another label. Right there, label 2. Let it be called label 2. What's that creaking sound? That scared the fuck out of me. Okay, so let's go and call this second number. Oh, it's the TV. Thank God, that was scary. I was like, oh no, what's that creaking sound? I actually didn't say that in that voice. That would have been really weird if it did. Okay, so we'll go up, change the font to Rooney. 16. We'll call this text box num2. So now let's go ahead and create another label. Create it right here. Allow this to be called label answer. Allow the text to be all like answer. Font can be 16 again, because it's cool like that. There we are. So, now we just need to add a couple buttons and a couple other things, then we'll be done. So the first button right there. And make it $16. Make the text on it say submit. See what I mean when I'm feeling? See what I mean by like when I said I'm feeling really tired? I want to just put the text in as actually saying text, because I'm an idiot. Not usually actually that time. I'm just really tired. Tired as a possum muzzle. So make this approximately the same size. You can go on and size it on here and make it exactly the same size, but I'm really not feeling like it. So let's go up to the top. Let's call this button quit edit the font, 16, be all like quit. Now you're gonna want to grab a group box from the containers section. Whoa, yo, what's up, bruh? Why'd you start going? That thing just started scrolling down like it's a homo. Okay, so okay, let's get rid of that group box. That group box is Harsham Mellow. Get out. Stupid Mellow Harsham piece of shit. Okay, so let's make this group box. Come down here. Bring it like that. Okay. So let's call, just leave this one being called group box 1. We'll say choose an action, I guess, for lack of a better word. I guess we could use the word operation, but I've already quit that screen and I'm too lazy to go back and exit it. In case you guys haven't guessed, I'm a really lazy person. Not proud of it either. So we're going to want to add 4 radio buttons. One there. One right there. One right there. Last one right there. So now, before we do anything with those radio buttons, let's go and wire up the rest of it. So now there's a couple faster ways to do what I'm doing. I just want to make it so you guys understand. So, single click on the quit thing. Quit button, I guess. Go over to this lightning bolt. It should be titled Events. And double click on the thing, I guess, option that says click. These are all different actions you can use. So double click on that. Down here, you're going to want to type close bracket bracket. So now what this script is saying, it's saying when that button gets clicked, it'll do whatever you tell it right there. And that happens to be closed. So let's try this. None of those really do anything. Submit does not do anything. But quit closes it for you. So next thing we're going to want to do, double click on the submit. When you double click on the submit, it's the equivalent of double clicking on that click thing. So whatever. Go up to the thing that says public class form 1 and dim num1 as an integer, dim num2 as an integer, dim answer as integer. So then here where it says button submit underscore click, type in num1 equals, and then whatever you call this thing. I call the text box num1. So num1 equals text box num1 dot text, because it's just a text box. Num2 equals text box num2 dot text. Then you're going to want to say answer equals num1 plus num2. And then you're going to want to go here, and whatever you call this whole answer thing. That TV's loud in the background, it's frustrating me. And then whatever you call this, so I call it label answer. So you go label answer dot text equals answer. So let's try and run this. No bugs, so now you should type in 56 plus 4 should equal 60, but does it? Yes, it does. Plus 6 should equal 62, yep. 89 plus 2 equals 91, yep. So now you get something really complicated to you. Whoa. I think that got a little bit too intense for it. Too many numbers. Make sure you're not dividing by 0. Dee. Get off my screen. Just quit this. Whoa. I totally think I just lagged this crap out. That was intense. Whoa. What's going on? This is pretty intense right now. Can't believe I just totally lagged out this. So yeah, don't type in anything too intense, or else you'll fuck shit up. Let's try a new one. Okay, how is this not working? I don't understand. Okay, you need to get off my screen. You're destroying it. Yo, you child. You're messing crap up. Close window. Get off my screen. Task manager. Applications. Get off my screen, you bad person. Yeah, no. I don't even love you. Okay, so let's try this now. There we are. Okay, so just don't try anything too intense on this, or else everything's gonna go down, and it will be no good. No good at all. Okay, so let's look at these radio buttons now. Call this one for top 1 radio button. Add, I suppose. Let's go down here. Just make it say add, because it's cool like that. Radio button sub for subtract. Make this muzza go say subtract, because it's cool like that. Radio button 3. Go ahead and call that radio button molt for multiply. Not malt. No, this is not candy stuff. Candy chocolate. Whatever you want to call it. Multiply. And let's go ahead and derpity derpity derp. This one is radio button div. My TV is getting really annoying, and I feel like turning it off. Then I'd have to get up, and as I've already explained, I'm a damn lazy person. I'm not fat, I'm just lazy. Okay. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make it so that when these are checked, that'll change. So when you double click on one of these, it's the equivalent of selecting the checking them. So double clicking. So now if somebody checks that, it'll do this. So now you're gonna want to enter whatever you called this. I think I called it label sign. Yep. So you're gonna say. So when somebody checks that big old thing, the radio button. See what I mean? I'm really tired. So you're gonna call it label sign.text equals. So when somebody checks that, it's gonna say plus for the ad. So you're gonna want to go back. Oh no, not that. It's gonna say plus. So now for subtract, it's gonna say subtract. Multiply. Just gonna give an X. And we'll give this one /. So now when you see we try to run this,